Alright folks, this is Steve the Tech 660 coming at you once again. Basically this is going to be a little bit of an update from my previous video in regards to my toolbox tour. Supposedly a lot has changed since then. Anyways, still working off of my MATCO 7525 toolbox. Doesn't have the bells and whistles like the toolboxes that are out now, which has the power strip, the USB port, etc, etc. I mean, this is just basically a basic toolbox, custom built for me. Got this box back in the days, I want to say 2005 if I recall. And I know I got some snap-on stickers right there, but here are the real badges, and real badges right there. And if I could put a Craftsman sticker, a Harbor Freight sticker, Mac stickers all over the place, I would, just to show off what's inside this box right here. Anyway, starting off with the first drawer, which is like my main drawer. And some tools came and went, some tools are missing. You guys know the lifestyle. Anyways, here's my metric side. And then I really don't have too many standards because I don't work on a lot of standard vehicles. Got my locking extensions right here. This one here is a MATCO. Let me focus right there. My ratchets, MATCO ratchet, snap-on old school ratchet, and I love this guy right here with the comfort grip, Pittsburgh, and been using this, haven't failed me yet. As well as my specialty, could say, I don't know, 16 point or whatever, I'm not going to count that, but snap-on, as you can see. Okay, magnetic snap-on sockets, Mac wobblies, my power bar set, snap-on, snap-on, snap-on. This one, snap-on, the one with the striker at the end. Breaker bar, my Mac tool breaker bar, if you can see that. Anyways, enough of the first drawer. Moving on to my wrenches, and equipped with these wrenches right here. Snap-on, baby, snap-on right there. And gear wrenches, Harbor Freight, Craftsman, snap-on gear wrenches. Going on with my plier drawer. That's where I keep everything. This one, valve stem seal remover by Blue Point. Snap-on, love these babies right here. These snap-on dikes, had these for a long time. And okay, that's it right there, nothing to see. Screwdriver drawer and files, snap-ons, Craftsman, Mac. This is a Mac magnet, snap-on clip removal tool, my Blue Point mirror, snap-ons. And this is just a miscellaneous go-to parts drawer. I have another parts drawer somewhere. Well, it's actually down here. I kind of cleaned it up. We'll check that out in a bit. And this is my impacts, snap-on. And I've been using this guy right here. This is the MATCO 3/8 impact. My impact 21 socket from snap-on. Mac tool, kind of a stubby ratchet right there, Blue Point. And going here in my specialty drawer, snap-on metric tap and die, stud remover set, my Craftsman bolt extractor or nut extractor set, punches, snap-on punches, my puller set, and right here brake tools. This one's a Mac brake spring plier set, serpentine belt tool. This is a clutch fan clutch fan tool right there from MATCO. I don't know why I keep this in a bag. Alright, skip this drawer right here. And then here's one of my, here's my cover. Here's basically Blue Point break-in tool. Here's another parts drawer I was mentioning. Extension cord, gear ratchets, power probe set, FIPG, form in place gasket, and then some straps right there. Okay. Going into this drawer, this is actually another specialty drawer. This is a Craftsman timing light, my snap-on radiator fill kit, torque wrenches, snap-on torques, all right, put that down, my Blue Point inflator, and Mac tool air tool oil, seal driver set, then brake piston, whatever we call that compresses a disc brake caliper tool set. This one is seal driver. All right, moving on to this. Is kind of like a, I don't want to say it's a specialty drawer. It's another go-to drawer of mine. Kind of a, yeah, you could say specialty. My digital caliper. This is my UV light to look at leaks. I actually use this set. I use that there for electrical. When I got to push those pins out of the connectors. This is common. I use this here. Vacuum gauges, etc. Tape. Pair of safety glasses. Okay. Here's my electrical drawer. Basically, got my multimeter here. I love this guy right here. Blue Point multimeter. Alright, just miscellaneous stuff to repair wires. I got my infrared thermometer, my snap-on test light, and miscellaneous stuff. Fuses right here. Main relay fuse to the Hondas. The reason why I kept this is because this is still good, and there were a few issues with some of the Hondas with the main relay. Anyways, just kept this just in case. Testers. Yeah, that's it right there. Hammer drawer, and then my cutter right there. Miscellaneous bits, drill bits, sandpaper, screws for license plate frames, my chain for engine jobs. Okay, another tie strap right here. Okay, I'm running out of time. Alignment, pry bar set, Allen wrenches, vice grips, and love these guys. Platinum double end ratcheting set from 8 all the way to 19. Love those, love those. And the last drawer is my miscellaneous drawer right here. Anyway, folks, MATCO 7525 toolbox. Love this box, love this box. Haven't had any problems yet. Anyways, guys, hope you like, subscribe, and stay tuned.